Yep. These are the validation errors, and I believe they happen even before it draws anything pretty fast. Minimal info again. It's only telling me about a logical device. Oh, here's something more. Something without a debug name, really. I'm disconnected from the chat. Well, what if I reload this page? There we are. That's pretty broken. Trying to reconnect you to the chat. Oh, we failed. Try again later. I reload the page, just it reconnects me with the chat, so it's their fault. This is already on YouTube. Alright, so, where are we, is the question. It's trying to allocate a descriptor set, multiple descriptor sets possibly. So I have to assume that this contains nonsense-ish. No, the only thing it contains is 3 times pSetLayouts. I'll have to print that one. Contains nothing. Okay, that's definitely the problem then. Oh, that one contains something. Why is this the case? That is the question, of course. We are currently in the line 934. And my descriptor allocate info comes from here, and the pSetLayouts come from whatever I passed, so we have to go one up in the stack. And then we get here. So you're calling this function with null null something. Really? Really? Well, this is just an argument to the function. So let's go up again. Not sure what this is doing here. Oh, it's the once call. Yeah, it's the once call. Need routine once. That's a lot of shit. Anyway, this is the point where we call it. Let's go there in the source code as well. So apparently we are passing this thing here, which is a null pointer. Check if that's the case. Yep. This is also null. No, that is, I would say, strange, because pipeline 1. Oh, it's not strange. It is not strange at all. Or maybe it is. MV top descriptor set layout. Okay, it's filled here. Doing something here as well. And then doing nothing with this. Just a vulkan handle, so I can push whatever we want. So that means that it is made 0 right here. Means that try and place the descriptor set layouts, then that move top layout bindings, return the null pointer. Well, no, that would kind of make sense, because this function is new. And yeah, the new function has the bug. So I would not be happy if this thing returns null. Okay, it must be not null. No, it is a descriptor set layout, so it's a class. and I'm treating it like a boolean, which means that yeah, I have to treat it explicitly as a boolean. I think I am. So it's literally saying it must be an unequal null if it compiles. So now I hope I will assert here a little bit closer to the problem, I guess. Let's try that out. Leave the debugger here. Let's run it again in the debugger. That's super unclear. Where are we now? Hopefully in my assert, but core dump, okay. Getting there, assert fail, yep. Very good, this is in the assert. So if I print iter second, what do I get? DDB stops. It's because the threads still kept running. It's annoying. Yeah, no, I keep forgetting how to stop the debugger from running the other threads. Something like set scheduler to step or something like that, but of course I do not know the details anymore. Let me see if there's a reaction here. Not really. Oh well, maybe I'll get an email about it. How can I replace this page with GDB scheduler step. Schedule locking maybe. Set schedule locking. Set schedule locking step maybe. I think that was the one then. So now I should be able to print it. Hopefully. No! afraid it is schedule logging. Must be something else. Well, I don't know then. It's super annoying that I cannot print it. Maybe we were already in this function. No, highly unlikely. Okay, let's try to print something more simpler. Let's see if it is really the problem that during printing threads start running or not. So I should be able to print just ether. This strange anyway, but okay. Set scheduler locking step. No. Scheduler. Yes. Print something simple. I don't know. Let's just print ether. Oh. Oh, that's highly strange. Interesting clad here, and we are here, so it's still there. I should be able to print it. The debugger is never really handy, right? So that's why I seldom use it. I use debug output mostly, because it just keeps failing. Keeps failing to be useful. Yeah, not useful. So no debugger then. Instead, I'll sorry, so if this is true, then we have a problem, and I want to print everything. And I want to print, say, the value of what we're trying to find. And I want to print the complete contents of the map. Which is not easy. Should be able to just run over all the elements by iterator. Oh, I think I know what it is. Never mind me. That was stupid. Why am I constantly so stupid? Iter is equal to end. Then I create it and I fail to update iter. Might as well return it here, but yeah. What we need is to have iter point to the new thing. Because iter is well, I don't care what iter is. Res is no longer debug only. Res returns an iterator or a pair with an iterator and a bool, and the iterator is going to point to the new element. So if I take first, I get the iterator that points to the new element. This line was missing. Yay, it works. Really works. And we just have the two validation errors. Good. I'll stop the stream, I think, and then edit my description again, because we're going to do the next thing.